Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Park level, chalk wheels, and jack the trailer so rollers are off the ground. This relieves tension and prevents sudden drop. Spray penetrating oil on roller pins and brackets because corrosion is the reason most removals stick. Once soaked for a few minutes, use a 13 mm to 19 mm socket to loosen the retaining nuts while you hold the bolt head. This prevents spinning. If a bolt spins, apply a locking wrench to the head so you can back the nut off. Once the nut is loose, you remove the retaining washer and prepare to drive the pin out from the wheel side. You hold the roller so it won't fall and shatter. Use a center punch and hammer to tap the pin straight through. Steady, controlled blows avoid bending. If the pin refuses to move, apply heat to the bracket for short bursts and reapply penetrating oil, because heat expands metal and breaks rust bonds. Make sure to collect removed hardware for inspection and replacement. You finish by cleaning and inspecting the brackets and bushings, because worn parts cause premature failure and misalignment. Once clear, fit the new roller, coat the pin with anti-seize or grease, align holes and push the pin through, then secure the nut and torque to the manufacturer's spec. Lower the trailer slowly and remove stands, making sure rollers spin freely. If a pin was stubborn, recheck alignment, reapply penetrating oil and heat, or cut and replace the pin as a controlled last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.